this is Hugo from the GNCC with another weekly update. This week was a short week, although it also felt like a very long week, much like every week has since this whole COVID-19 thing started. Perhaps we've fallen into some sort of alternate dimension. Funny, as you approach the speed of light. So this week, of course, was the first week of phase one of the reopening of Ontario's economy. Obviously, we're taking things very cautiously, and selected retail stores have been allowed to open up while maintaining physical distancing. This is the good news. Here is the bad news. Right now, R is greater than 1. What that means is each new person who has COVID-19 is infecting more than one other person on average. This means the number of cases in Ontario is going up. There is also a lack of testing, which limits our ability to control the pandemic. A lot of people have been asking, how do we get to stage 2? A more pertinent question is, how do we avoid going back to stage 0? We can only do this through vigilance. We have to be cautious. We have to maintain physical distancing. We have to wear masks when we're out in public. We have to avoid unnecessary trips outside the house. If you are a retail store and you're reopening, you can help greatly. Enforce physical distancing in your store. Make sure that every customer has at least 2 meters of space around them. Consider strictly limiting the number of people allowed in the space at one time. You should strongly consider urging your customers and your staff to wear masks at all times. These do not have to be medical grade masks. In fact, they shouldn't be. We need to reserve those for frontline healthcare workers. But you can use cloth masks, which greatly help reduce the spread of disease. Consider strictly limiting the number of people allowed in the store at one time. Perhaps you can operate by appointment only. And remember, curbside pickup and delivery are still options. That is how we're going to beat this and to move to the next stage of reopening the economy. It has been a tough couple of months, but hopefully, if we are cautious and if we're vigilant, we'll be able to move forward from here.